from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
An update on education bills in the General Assembly and a traffic alert on I-95. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Thursday, February 22nd, 2024, and it's brought to you today by My Empanada.
And now for the news. 8
state lawmakers from Henrico County introduced a total of 28 bills involving education in this year's General Assembly session. And today on HenricoCitizen.com, our education reporter Leanna Hardy takes a look at how each of those bills has fared so far. Among the bills that made it out of committee are those that would ban college legacy admissions, promote safer gun storage around minors, and implement more restorative disciplinary practices in schools. One bill that has passed both the House and the Senate would ban public colleges and universities in the state from providing special treatment to applicants related to alumni or donors. It was introduced by Senator Schuyler Van Valkenburg of Henrico in the Senate and Delegate Dan Helmer in the House. The bill received unanimous approval from both chambers and is expected to be signed by Governor Glenn Youngkin. And a traffic alert if you're traveling I-95 near Brook Road tonight or tomorrow morning. VDOT is preparing to install new overhead signage there. That process will prompt overnight double lane closures and occasional slow rolls. That'll take place between 9 p.m. tonight and 6 a.m. tomorrow morning at mile marker 80. You should expect delays of at least 15 minutes each hour during the process. Well, the new Economy Workforce Credential Grant Program, a performance-based means of funding non-credit workforce training in Virginia, has seen about a 9% increase in student enrollment during the recent fiscal year, reaching an all-time high, according to a report published by the State Council of Higher Education for Virginia. The program rewards community colleges, higher education centers, and Richard Bland College through a pay-per-performance model each time a student completes training and earns a credential in a high-demand field. Students pay 1/3 of the cost of tuition if they successfully complete the program. Financial aid is also available. During the 2023 fiscal year, almost 13,500 people enrolled in the program. 71% of them graduated with a credential. A bill that would increase Virginia's minimum wage from $12 an hour to $13.50 an hour beginning January 1st, 2025, and then to $15 an hour a year later is making progress in the Virginia State Senate after narrowly passing the House of Delegates 51 to 49. Nationally, 18 states have a minimum wage greater than Virginia, where it's currently $12 an hour. California's minimum is $16 an hour, and in Washington, D.C., it's $17 an hour. In the Senate, the bill so far has passed the Committee on Commerce and Labor and was referred to the Finance and Appropriations Committee. Proponents say the bill would help minimum wage earners pay for basic needs like housing and child care, but opponents say that it would force small businesses and others to make hard decisions while incurring new costs, potentially resulting in layoffs. You can read more about the topic right now on our website from our partners at the Capital News Service. For the best in authentic Latin American street food, look no farther than My Empanada in Henrico's West End. My Empanada offers sweet and savory flavors with a variety of options, baked fresh or available frozen for take and bake. Their delicious empanadas are made from traditional South American recipes. Owners Juan and Claudia Urea are natives of Colombia, and they're excited to share a bit of their culture with you. Stop by My Empanada at 1421 Blue Jay Lane at Blue Jay and Quioccasin Road, just behind the Suba Lakshmi Indian Grocery, or visit myempanada.net or call 804-203-3473.